H&M's AI digital twins, the future of fashion marketing or ethical minefield. In March 2025, H&M announced something that divided the fashion world. They're creating AI digital twins of 30 real models for their marketing campaigns. This isn't just technological innovation, it's a complete reimagining of how fashion brands approach content creation and model economics. The strategic challenge: H&M faces the same problem plaguing every fast fashion retailer. Massive content demand meets rising production costs. Traditional photo shoots require extensive logistics, scheduling, and budget allocation for each campaign. But H&M's solution addresses something deeper: scalability without losing authenticity. The company expects public opinion to be divided, but believes the best way to protect models' jobs and rights in the age of AI is to bring them into the process. The execution strategy: H&M captures extensive photos of their models in various settings, movements, and lighting conditions, replicating every detail from birthmarks to unique movement patterns. This large amount of data is fed into machine learning algorithms that can reproduce images in their likeness. But here's the strategic brilliance: they're not replacing models, they're extending them. H&M works in partnership with models and their respective modeling agencies, ensuring consent and compensation structures. The business impact: the economics are compelling. One model photo shoot can now generate unlimited variations across seasons, products, and marketing channels. The firm can digitally dress virtual twins in a variety of products without additional studio time, travel costs, or scheduling constraints. H&M debuted the first images on Instagram in July 2025, testing market reaction while maintaining transparency about their AI approach. The strategic risk: H&M has been slammed for its plan to use AI twins, highlighting the cultural sensitivity around AI in creative industries. This is particularly challenging in Scandinavian markets, where transparency and worker protection are fundamental values. The compensation model remains complex. H&M is still working out how to compensate a digital twin, as traditional usage rights negotiations don't translate directly to AI-generated content. Strategic lessons: for enterprise brands, H&M demonstrates how to pilot controversial innovations transparently. They didn't secretly deploy AI models. They announced the strategy, explained the ethics, and invited public discourse. For smaller businesses, the lesson is about scalable content creation. While you may not need digital twins, consider how AI can multiply your existing creative assets without replacing human creativity. The industry precedent: H&M isn't alone. Klein has been using AI to create product photos featuring digital twins since mid-2024. This suggests an industry shift toward hybrid human-AI content strategies. H&M's digital twin strategy proves that the future of marketing isn't choosing between human creativity and AI efficiency, it's creating ethical frameworks where both can coexist profitably. I'm Alvis, analyzing how brands navigate the complex intersection of AI innovation and ethical responsibility in modern marketing.